Yes, good afternoon, children. Today I am going to tell you about your practical work geography. It will carry approximately, mean to say, under 30 marks of practical. For that, you have to prepare one practical file also. So, today I am telling you about the preparation of that practical file, how to prepare, how to do. And in this way, in this practical file, you have to take a look of these different type of pages I'm going to tell you. Okay. First page is like that. You have to see the content like earlier in your previous classes also. uh, you are doing this. And second page, that practical work geography, you have to write your name, class, school name, your teacher's name, teacher in charge, right? And that is the previous one is the index page having the content, different page number, serial number, different wise. And then second page like that. Then there would be the questions. I'll teach you there, it's detail also, how to do it. There are different 5 chapters total you have for your practical data and its collection, right? Spatial information, SIT, and GIS, and field survey. 5 chapters are there out of 5. This time, due to this corona season, I think this field survey till now not confirmed. I have confirmed from many places. It is there and it is not there. That I'll tell you accordingly. But time being, you have to prepare these profiles, these pictures accordingly. तो आप अपना काम स्टार्ट कर दीजिए समवट थोड़ा, आप उसमें मेंटली प्रिपेयर हो जाएंगे अगर आप ये सब कुछ देख लेंगे. तो यू हैव टू बी प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ accordingly. How to prepare your this file? You have to take this type of page file page, or you may use that science practical notebook type also, one plain page and one having lines, ruled pages. And accordingly you will do. There are source of primary data, personal observation, then interview. That total chapter I'll teach you. Today only I'm giving you the overview of your project work, how you have to prepare, how you have to do your project work. And next you may see that there are methods of data collecting, different methods of data can be collected. Primary, secondary, ठीक है, government, public, national, international. Fall under the heading of this primary data, you have to see that personal observation, interview, na, quaternary schedules and other models. In this way you have to say that secondary data, published form, unpublished form, and how it is taken collectively, privately. And then there are some questions based upon that, practical questions based upon these data. You have to calculate mean and median also. That also I'll teach you. And then there would be like this type of that data whatsoever you have collected, you have to present it on graph. Okay, different type of graph, bar graph, linear graph, this point wise. Whatsoever you have done till 10th in your mathematics, and even some portion of economics also you are doing like that. In this way you have to take this. And sorry, light, electricity supply got failed, so that's why there is disturbance, sorry for that. Then next one, you may see that there is some process of classification and frequency of the data, different type, like I told you. So you have to see that, calculate the frequency based upon mean, median, just say like tally you are doing there. Accordingly you have to do this one also. And next page I'm going to tell you about this page. That is to tell, in this page you have to see that there is a different methods to calculate the data, given data. How you can go for mean, median. And the next one is एंड देन व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर, जो मैंने आपको बताया था, SIP, okay, spatial information technology. How do you take different type of satellite pictures from, and how you can measure their distance wise from one place to another place, and that also I'll show you. Then there is a population map, like you have to show data as well as population dot map, very very important. इस पे तो एक फाइनल एग्जाम में 1 क्वेश्चन 5 मार्क्स श्योर होता है, डेड श्योर है कि इस पे तो क्वेश्चन पूछा ही जाएगा. इवन यू नो दैट इन योर प्रैक्टिकल एग्जाम यू हैव टू attempt some theoretical questions also, approximately of 20 marks. There you have to show such type of questions, like I told you that bar graph, right? And that one, different type of some more graphs. In this way you have to show different colors. And dear student, you have to very much careful regarding when you are making this graph. You have to take care of the scale. You have to tell about the scale also, what scale you have taken from there, what scale you have taken from there. That is very very important. You have to tell the scale also. And for that scale you have to see, for that scale you have to see 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter, what is there. I'll try to show you that distance of one city to an city based upon scale, like your very very first chapter in your previous class 11th, that is the scaling, right? You have done there also, that how different type of scales are used for measuring the distance from one place to another place, right? In this way, that is can be done with the help of satellite also. That is also practical, like okay, you have to find the distance of two different cities, two different places, distance wise where it is located. Such type of information you have to see. For that you have to do some questions of mean and median also. From mean and median also, I'm trying to show you that type of question, like that, right? You have to see the frequency and tally whatsoever things are there, accordingly you have to show, like a here it is here, right? From here you can see that um, tally type things, and this sigma formula given. I'll give you some important questions also. All the questions are given in your practical book. Students, please take care. There is a one book named that Geography Practical. That is the third book you have to purchase. If you don't want to purchase nowadays due to this some disturbance, you can download it from the net, and accordingly you may see that. I would also like to show you some pictures of that. Please wait. Yes, students, it is for example, like you have to see that your map scale, and for that scaling you have to tell that from last, suppose I have tried to show you city A and city B with the help of map scale. तो इन दोनों में कितना डिस्टेंस है, तो सपोज डिस्टेंस इज 100 किलोमीटर एंड यू वांट टू शो इट थ्रू स्केल, तो दैट इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर, राइट? हम लोग आपको वो बताएंगे किस हिसाब से आप लोग इसको मेज़र करते हो, राइट? उस पर स्केल लेके मैप पे और इन चीज़ों पे. तो दैट आई विल टेल यू इन डिटेल व्हेन आई स्टार्ट दिस प्रैक्टिकल. बट बिफोर दैट वी स्टार्ट, you have to do, this is your chapter number 1, that is data and its source and completion, right? And the second one is I have taken that in this way what you have to do, like this is the data you have collected. In previous picture it was not clear. You have to show mean of the data, how you can take it mean, like these are the classes, there's the frequency map effects, that all the same things I will tell you in detail in my next video. Just it is one elementary knowledge for you, that such type of practicals, like these are the same data I have converted it on the graph, bar graph. So and there is linear graph, point graph, also linear graph. So that you have to show this and like this is the city map scale, how you do city A and B. Okay, suppose their center is distance is 100 kilometer, and on our map scale it shows only 1 centimeter. In this way we have to take 1 centimeter as 100. And in your previous class you have studied about the maps, large scale map and small scale and large scale. More than, when we take distance of it more than 1000 kilometer, that come in the category of large scale maps. And उसमें भी आगे categories होती है. I'll tell you detail 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000 accordingly. So in this way, hopefully you have understood the theme, but I want to tell you about your map. Please see all the pictures. In this way you have to prepare your this one file, and you would be able to complete, get 30 out of 30 marks in your practical. I hope so that each and every student has to take 30 out of 30 marks in the practical. Thank you students, take care, go through properly.